Hello students, welcome to my math class. On my last class, I have started exercise 11, chapter number decimal fractions, and completed exercise 11a. Today we shall solve exercise 11b. Let us start. Question number 1. Write as common fractions. Write as common fractions. Question number A. 0.65. So we write, this one is decimal fraction 0.65. We write as a or as common fractions. So we know in decimal fractions, before zero, if before point, if any zero is there, it is valueless. It is no value. It has no value. So first we write without this 0, 0.65. 0.65. Next, we know after point how many digits are there. After point, if 2 digit, then in place of denominator, first we write 1, and after point, if 2 digits are there, then we give 2 0, and without point we write the number in numerator place. So the common fraction is 65 by 100. The common fraction is 65 by 100. Next, question number B. .721. So same, this 0 has no value, so we write without this 0, 7.721. So here we get after point 3 digits. After point 3 digits, so first we give 1 in, and then after how many digits? 3 digits are there, we give 3 0 and write this number without point. 721. 721 by 1000. There is 3 digits, so 3 zeros are there. So answer is 271 by 1000. Next, question number C. 0.801. So first, without this 0 valueless, so we remove this 0, so we write 801.801. Now here also after point 3 digit, so in denominator place we give 1 and then 3 0, and then without point we write this number in numerator place. So here also answer is 801 by 1000. 801 by 1000. Next, question number D. Question number D, 0.930 equal to, so this 0 is valueless. In place of point we give 1, that means 1, then how many after point 1 2 3 digit we give 3 0, or this one. So listen this one once again. It is after point 3 digit 1 2 3, but this 0 also if we don't write then no problem. It is also one type of after decimal. If and we remove first what we remove both this side also 0. If before point also 0 is valueless and last digit also 0, then also it has no value. So we remove these two 0, both side, both either end, both 0 we remove, then the number is 0.93. Now the answer is, in place of point we give 1 and 1 2 numbers are there, 2 0, and without point we write 93. So answer is 93 by 100. 93 by 100. Next question number E. 2.34. So here 2.34. This before point the number is said whole number or integral part, and after point the number is decimal part. So here point is there. So after point 2 digit we give 1 and 2 zeros in denominator place, and this numerator place we write without this point. Full number we write without this point 234. 234 by 100. 234 by 100. Next F. Question number F. 5.670. So we remove this 0. We remove this 0 to before making the common fraction. So this 0 if we remove, then 5.67. 5.67. Now what we in place after point 2 digit are there, so we give 1, then 2 number 0 because there is 2 digit, and we write this number without decimal point. Without decimal point, that means 567. 567 by 100. Next number, question number G. Question number G, 25.09. 25.09. So after this 0 one digit is there 9. So this 0 has value. So we keep this one, and what after point 2 digit is there. So point after in denominator place we give 1, and then 2 numbers 2 digits are there, we give 2 zeros, and write this number without point. That means 2509 by 100. 2509 by 100. Next question number H. Question number H, 78.25. Same 25. Here after point 2 digit is there, so in place of point we give 1 and 2 digits are there 20, that means in denominator it is 100, and upper without point if we write then it is 7825. 7800 common fraction is 7825 by 100. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Write as decimal decimal fractions. Write as decimal fraction. Question number A. 15 by 10. We write decimal fraction. So here two ways are there. First, if we divide 15 by 10, if we divide 15 by 10, then we get 15 1 10 1 is 10 and remain 5. 10 is bigger than 5, no, so we can't divide, then we give 1 point there, put 1 point there and add 1 0, then 5 0 50, 5 0 50, 10 5 jar 50, answer is 1.5. After answer is 1.5, that means 1.5. Another method is there. It is suppose 15 by 10. So here we see there 15, we write this 15 and there in 10 only 1 0 is there. So after 1 point from right side, after 1 digit we give point. After 1 digit we give point, then point is there. So answer is 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. So here 1 0 is there. So after point we give after 1 digit we give point. That means here also we get answer is 1.5. Next question is number B. 32 by 10. If we divide 32 by 10, then we get 10 3 jar 30, remain 2, minus 2, then remain 2. Not go because 10 is bigger than 2, so we put 1 point there and give add 1 0, that means there is 20. 10 2 jar 20, answer is 3.2. And if we follow this method 32 by 10 and there what we write only 32 and denominator only 1 0 1, then 1, then only 1 0 is there, 1, then only 1 0 is there, then after 1 digit, after before 1 digit we give point. Before 1 digit we give point, that means before 2 we give point, that means 3.2. Next question number C. Question number C. 205 by 100. 205 by 100. So here we write 205. Here after the 100 is there, so 2 digits. Yeah, 2 in denominator 100 is there, in 100 2 zeros are there. So before 2 digit we give point 1 2, then there we give point, that means 2.05. 2.05, and if we divide then we get 100 205. 205. So if we divide, then 101 is 100. 100 2 jar 200, 100 2 jar 200, remain 5, remain 5. So in 5 100 not goes, then you give 1 point, give 1 0, then 50 also not possible because 50 is smaller than 100. Then you give 1 0, put one, give 1 0 there, right, and another 0 you add, then 500, 100, 5 jar 500. That means answer is 2.05. 2.05. Next question number D. Question number D, 87 by 100. 87 by 100. So we do divide 100, 87. So 100 not cannot, because 100 is bigger than 87. We give 1 point, put 1 0, then 100 8 jar 800, remain 70. Remain 70. Give what point is there, you add, you can add. If 1 point is there, then we add another one more point. So here 700, 100 7 jar 700, 100 7 jar 700. So answer is point 87, or we can add 0 also. It is 0.87 or 0.87. Next question is E. Question number E, 654 by 10. 654 by 10. So here denominator is 10, only 1 0 is there. That means after before one digit, if we put point, then point is there 65.4. Answer is 65.4. E. Then F. Question number F, 397. 397 by 1000. 397 by 1000. So here we write this number and we count how many zeros are there, 1 2 3, and here also 1 2 3 digits are there. So we put we give point is there, and 1 0 also we can add. So it is 0.397, 0.397. Or if you multiply also, divide also, then how answer comes, we see 397 not goes done go, because 397 is smaller than 1000. So we add 1 0, give 1 point there and add 1 0. That means there is 3970. 3970. Then 300 3 jar 300, remain 970. So point is there. We know if one time we give point, then we add many times 0. So here 9700. So 1000 9 times go, then 9000, remain 700. Point is there. We add 1 0, then 700, then 7000. So 1000 7 jar 7000. Answer is 3.97. 3.97. Next, question number G. 4732 by 100 1000 4732 by 1000. So here how many zeros? 3 zeros are there in 1000. 3 zeros are there. So from right side we count 4 7 3 2. We count 1 2 3. So here we put what? Here we put comma. So answer is 4.732. 4.732. Next question number 8. 50 by 1000. 50 by 1000. So here 50 50. So and we can deduct 1 0 is there, 1 0 is there, then only upper remain only 5 and down remain 100. So here we get 1 2 zeros are there, but there only one digit 5 is there. Then what to do? We add 1 0 in left side of 5, left side, right side not, left side of right, and put point is there. That means the answer is 0.05. 0.05. The answer is 0. And if we divide 5 by 100, then we get there 5 smaller than 100. Then we put one comma point there and add 1 0. Then there is 150. Then also it is less than 100. Then another 0 you give there and 1 0 is there. So 100 5 jar 500. So answer is 0.05. Answer is 0.05. Next question number I. Question number I. 8 6 by 10. 8 6 by 10. So here mixed fraction. Here 8 is the integral part or whole number, and 6 by 10 is fractional part. So now first we do what? First we change mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we know 10 8 10 jar 80 plus 6 86 by 10. Now we change into mixed fraction, change into decimal fraction. So here 8 86 and down 1 only 100 is there in 10 1 0 is there. So before from right side, before one digit we give 1 point. So here answer is 8.6, and if we divide then we get 86. 10 8 10 jar 80 remain 6, give 1 point and give 1 0. There is 60 remain. So here 60 10 6 jar 60. So answer is 8.6. Answer is 8.6. Next question number J. Question number J. 17 29 by 100. 1729 by 100. So if we write in improper fraction, mixed fraction, this also integral part and fractional part. If we write into mixed fraction, 1700 jar 1700, 100 jar 1700 plus 29. So 1700 1729 1729 by 100. So how we get this one? Once again I am showing. We know if we change into mixed fraction to improper fraction, so whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So here 17 into 100 plus 29 by 100. So now 1700 jar 1700 plus 29 by 100. Now 1700 plus 29 equal to 1729 by 100. This one we get 1729 by 100. Now we write in decimal fraction. So here 2 zeros are there. In 100 2 zeros are there. So before right side, from right side before 2 digit we give point. Here 9 1 digit, 2 another digit, that means this 1 2 digit, here we give 1 point, then answer is 17.29. Next question number K. Question number K, 465 by 1000. 465 by 1000. So improper fraction if we do, then we get here we do rough 4 into 1000 plus 65 by 1000. So 4 into 1000 equal to 4000 plus 65 by 1000. So 4000 plus 65 equal to 4065, and 4065 by 1000. So here if we do mixed fraction, improper fraction, then we get 4065 by 1000. 4065 by 1000. Now we do decimal fraction. Here 3 zeros are there, that means before 3 digit, from right side before 3 digit we put decimal. So 1 2 3, answer is 4.065. 4.065. Here 3 zeros are there, so 1 2 3 digit we give, and if we do divide, then we also get same answer, 4065. So 1000 4 jar 4000 remain 65. Then not possible to do divide, then we give 1 point there, add 1 0, then it is 650. Then also not possible, then 1 0 we add there and another 0 there, then it is 6500. 6500, 1000 6 jar 6000, 6000 side 1000 6 jar 6000, remain 500. Point is there, give 1 0, then it is 5000. So 1000 5 jar 5000. 1000 5 jar 5000. Answer is 4.065. Next question number 3. Question number 3 fill in fraction decimal read as fraction decimal read as. So first we write common fraction, then decimal fraction, then read as means how to read. How we read the decimal fractions. So first question number A 17 by 10. 17 by 10. Here in decimal fraction we write here 1 0 is there, that means after before one digit, from right side before one digit we give point, that means here 17 before one digit, 7 is one digit, so it is here point, that means 1.7. 1 point decimal fraction is 1.7 and read as, how to read? Read as 1 point point 1.7. 1.7. Question number B. Dash. Here decimal fraction is there 8.04 and these two we fill up. First we fill up the fraction, how common fraction comes. So from decimal fraction, if we change into common fraction, so we know their point, so in place of point we give 1 and how many digits? 1, 2 digits are there, 2 zeros. 2 zeros. So denominator is 100 and numerator is, by leaving this point we write, that means without point we write this one, then 804, that means 804 by 100. And how to read this fraction, this decimal fraction? 8.0 ZERO04. We read as how? 8.04. Question number C. Question number C. 908 by 100. 908 by 100. So first we write common fraction to decimal fraction. So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So first we write only numerator 908. So how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. That means before, from the right side, before 2 digit we give point. Here answer is, decimal fraction is 9.04 and we read as 9.0 ZERO08 EIGHT 9.08. Next question number D. Question number D. 12.133. 12 point, sorry, this decimal fraction is 12.133. 12.133. So first we write common fraction. So common fraction we know, in place of point, here point is there, in place of point we give, in denominator place we give 1, and how many zeros are there after point? 3 digit, 1 2 3, we put 3 zeros, we write 3 zeros, then denominator is 1000, and we write this number without this point as a numerator. So answer is 12,133 by 1000. Next question number E. 513 by 1000. 513 by 1000. First we write this decimal fraction. So there 5 is 5. There 5 is what? Whole number. So we know 5 we keep before point, and here is only 13. 1 3 13. But there is what? How many numbers? 3 numbers, 3 zeros are there, 1 2 3, 3 digits are there, 1 2 3. So we need 3 digits, but there is 2. So we add 1 0 left side of 13. So answer is what? 5.0313. Why we add this 0? Because there is 3 zeros are there, but there is only 2 zeros. We need 3 digits after point, but there are only 2 digits are there. So we give 1 0 left side of 13, right side give, then it is wrong. We give right side after point, give 1 0, or before 13 we give 1 0. That means answer is 5.013. So this one, how we write? Now these two we write, how to read here? 12 point POI and 12.133. 12.133, and this one we read as 5.013. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Write as decimals and common fractions. Write as decimals, and common fractions, and COMMON common fractions. Sorry, we erase these things all. Write as question number 4. Write as decimal and common fractions. Write as decimal and common decimals and common fractions. First question number A, 1.05 1.05 we write first decimal then fraction, decimal and then fraction, decimal then common fraction or fraction. C fraction means common fraction. Here we write decimal and then we write common fraction. So first what the question said, 1.0 ZERO05 1.05, how to write 1.05 and common fraction is what? In place of point we give 1 and 1 2 zeros, so denominator is 10 100 and numerator we write without point. So we write 105, that means 105 by 100. Next question number B, 10.0 08 10.008. So 8 we write there because here we write decimal 008. So here we write 10 point, 10 then point then 008 10.008, and if we write as a decimal fraction, common fraction, then it is in place we write without this number we write without decimal, and in place of decimal we give 1 and 1 2 3 digit we give 30, that means 10,008 by 1000, 10,008 by 1000. Next question number C, 4.10 106 4.106. So decimal fraction is 4.106 and common fraction we get what? In place of point, in denominator place 1 and how many digit? 1 2 3 digit we give 1 2 3 0, and without point we write this number in numerator place, then mean 4106 by 1000. Next, question number D, question number D, 15.008 15.008. So here we get decimal point 15.008, and in common fraction we found we get here in place of point we give 1 and 3 digits are there, that means we give 3 digit, and without point we write this one, that means 15,008 by 1000. 15,008 by 15.0027. Okay, that means it is 15. I written question a bit there mistakenly, so this one we erase. Question is actually 15.267. 15.267. 15.267. So decimal fraction is 15.267. 15 then 0.267, and common fraction is in place of point we give 1 and 1 2 3 digit, then 30, and then how many we write this number without point. 15,267. So 15 answer, this common fraction is 15,267 by 1000. Decimal point is decimal is 15.267. 15.267. Next question number E. 100.130 100.13. So decimal fraction is 100 100.13, and common fraction is in place of 0.1 and 2 digit 2 number, and without decimal we write this number, that means here 1 tens 100, 10,000 13 by 100, 10,000 13 by 100. Next question number F. 60.052 15.052. Now sorry, 60.052. here 60.052 and decimal fraction we write here in place of point 1 1 2 3 digit 30 1 2 30, and write this number 060052. So answer is 60,052 by 1000. 1 tens 100,000. Yes, 60,052 by 1000. Next question number Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5, you see in your book, write the place below. Write the place below for the decimal parts. Write the value of the common fractions. So first question number A, you write question from your book. Question number 5, 6.0. 6.0. So we take out the place value of this 6. Place value of this 6. So we know the place value of this 6 is in tens place. 6 is in 10 place. So that means the place value of this 6 is 6. Question number B, 0.6. So the place value of this 6 is 10 from 10th. Tens, not 10th. 10th. So after point we get in place value chart what? 10th. 10th, 1000th, 100th, 1000th, like this. So 10th means what? It is 6 by 10. 10th means it is 6 by 10. So answer is here 6 by 10, or we know it is 6 by 10th. Next question number C, we take out the place value of 0.06. 0.06, and we take out the place value of 6. Place value of 6. So here place value of this 6 is 10th, where 10th, 100th. So 100th means 6 by 100. 6 by 100. And in place of point we give 1 and 1 2 digit. So 2 0 and 6 is there upper. So it is 6 by the place value of this 6 is 6 by 100. 6 by 100. Next question number D, 0.006. So place value of this 6. Place value of this 6 is what? 6 is in what place? 10th, 100th, 1000. So 6 by 1000. The place value of this 6 is 6 by 1000, or in place of point 1 and 1 2 3 digit, 1 2 3 digit upper, this only we remove upper only what? 6 is there. So answer is 6 by 1000. Next question number E, 3.28. 3.28. So place value of 3, place value of 2, place value of 8. We take out the place value of this 3, place value of this 2, place value of this 8. So this 3 is after before point, that means it is integral part, whole part. So this one is in which place? 1's place. So this place value of this 3 is 3. 1's place, so place value of 3 is 3, and this 2 is after decimal, that means it is 10th place. 10th place means 2, the place value of this 2 is 2 by 10, 2 by 10, and the place value of this 8 is 10th on 100th, 10th 100th. So the place value of this 8 is 100th. 100th means 8 by 100, that means it is 100 point, then 10th, 100th, 1000, like this. So here 8 is in 100th place, so place value of this 8 is 8 by 100. Next question number F. 19.504. 19.504, we take out the place value of 1, then 9, then 5, then 0, then 4. So the place value of this one in before decimal point, that means it is, this side is integral part, whole part, so it is 9 is in 1's place and 10 is 10's place. So this place value of this 1 is 10's place, that means 10, 10, and place value of this 9 is in 1's place, that means the place value is of 9 is 9. How 9 1 is, if 1 place, then 9 1 is 9, and there is 10th place, that means 10 1 is 10. So here 9, the place value of this 9 is 9, and this place value of 10 is this 10. Now this 5 place, this one is after decimal, that means it is 10th, 100th, 1000. So 10th means we know what, 5 by 10, the place value of this 5 is 10, and 0 is in 100th place, so the place value of this 0 is 0 by 100. Place value of this 0 is 0 by 100, and place value of this 4 is 4 by it is 1000, 10th, 100th, 1000. So it is 4 by 1000. Next, question number G. Question number 5G. 26.15. 26.15, place value of 6, 2, 5, 1, 5 and 1. So here the place value of this 6, see here 6, so we get where is the 6 is there. So we first we see the position of the 6. The position of the 6 is in 1's place. The place value of this 6 is 6. The 2 is in 10's place. So place value of this 2 is 10 to the 20, and place value of this 5 is in after decimal, that means it is 10th, 100th place. 100th place, the place value of this 5 is 5 by 100, and the place value of this 1 is 1/10th. It is 10th place, so place value of this 1 is 1 by 10. Next question number 8. 538.97. 538.97. We take out the place value of 5, 3, 8, place value of 8, place value of 9, and place value of 7. So here the place value of this 5 is in which place after before decimal, that means 1s, 10s, 100, 500s are 500. The place value of this 5 is 500. That's 3 is in which place? It is in 10th. It is in 10th place, so 3 10s are 30. Place value of this 3 is 30, and place value of this 8 is 8. 1 is 8. So, and after point 9 is in what place? It is 10th place. That means the place value of this 9 is 9 by 10, and place value of this 7 is 7 by 100. 7 by 100. 100th place, that means it is 7 by 100. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Fill in. Question number 6. Fill in. Question number A. Or fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 0.45. Question number A, 0.45. So here 4 by dash plus 5 by dash. So here we get 4 in what place? 10th place. So this 4 value of this 4 is 4 by, we can write 4 by 10. 4 by 10, and it is in 100. 5 is in 100th place. It is 5 by 100. 5 by 100 common fraction. Next question number B. Question number B. 2.03 equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash. So here we get 2. The place value of this 2 is in 1's place. So we write here 2. Next 0 is in 10th place. So this place value of this 0 is 0 by 10, and this 3 is 100th place. It is 3 by 100. 3 by 100. Question number C. .369. 0.369 equal to dash plus dash plus dash. So here the place value of this 3 is 10th, so 3 by 10, 6 is 100th, so 6 by 100, and 9 is in 1000th, so 9 by 1000, 1000, 9 by 1000. Next question number D. Question number D, 12.369 dash plus 1 2 3 4 plus dash plus dash plus dash. So here the place value of 2 is 2. This 1 is where 1's tens place, so 1 10 is 10s are 1, and 2 is in 1's place, so 2 1 is 2, and this 3 is in 10th place, 3 by 10, and 6 is in 100 place, that means 6 by 100, and 9 is in 1000 place, then 9 by 1000. It is 9 by 1000. Place value of 1 is 10, 2 is 2 only, 3 is 3 by 10, 6 is 6 by 100, and 9 is 9 by 1000. Next question number E, 49.785 equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash 1 2 3 4 plus dash. So now here 4, the place value of 4 is in tens place, so 4 10s are 40, 9 is in 1 place, 9 1 is 9, 7 is 10th place, that means 7 by 10, 8 is in 100th place, so 8 by 100, and 5 is in 1000th place, so 5 by 1000. Next question number 7. Question number 7. See in your book. Write in expanded from the decimal parts. Write the values as common fractions. So first we write the expanded from. So expanded from means, so question number 7a, 0.89, 0.89. So 0.89 we write in expanded point from. How we write? So first one is what? Point. Both digits are 8 and 9. Both digits are after point. That means 18 in which place? 10th place. 10th place means what? The value of this one is 8 by 10. The value of this 8 is 8 by 10, and plus the value of this 9 is 9 by 100th place 9, so 9 by 100. 9 by 100. So this one is the expanded from of 1.89. Next question number B. Question number B, 0.028. So we write in expanded from here 0. It is before this before point. If before point only 0 is there, then it is valueless. But after point, if 0, then 1 or 2 or 3 more digits are there, then it is, we count, it is value. It has value. That means here 0 is in 10th place. 0 is in 10th place. So here 0 by 10. 0 by 10 plus 9 is in 100th place. 100th means 2 by 100 plus 8 is in 1000th place, 1000th. So 8 by, the value of this 8 is, or place value of this 8 is 8 by 1000. Question number C. One 3.5 13.5. So the place value of this one is, this side is what, this whole number ones tens. So this tens equal to 1 tens equal to 1 tens are 10. Place value of this one is 10. This place value of this 3 is 1's place, so only 3, plus the place value, this one is in 10th after decimal, that means it is 10th place. So the place value of this 5 is 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Next question number D. Question number D, 27.906. 27.906. Here place value of this 2 is 1's tens after before decimal, that means 1's tens. 2 tens are 20 plus 7 1 is 7, 7 one time 1's place 7 plus 9 is 10th place, so 9 by 10. Place value of this 0 is 100th place, so 0 by 100 plus place value of this 6 is 6, 1000th place, that means 6 by 1000th place, so that means this place value of this 6 is 6 by 1000, 6 by 1000. Next question number E. Question number E. $18.423. 18.423. So here 18.423. So this one is 10. The place by 8. Plus this one is 10th place, 4 by 10, plus this one is 100th place, so 2 by 100, plus this one is 1000 place, 3 by 1000. Next question number F. Question number F. 205.502. So here we see the place value of this 2 is 200 plus 0 is 0, then plus 5 is 5, then 5, this 5 is 10th place, that means 5 by 10. This 0 is in 100th place, 0 by 100, plus 2 is in 1000th place, so 2 by 1000. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. Fill in with short from, decimal from. Question number 8. We fill in with short from or decimal from. So first is what? 5 by 10 plus 8 by 100. 5 by 10 plus 8 by 100. That means here 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means it is 10th, and it is, this 8 is in 100th place. So here 5, 8. So if it is 10th place, and it is 100th place, then we have to give one point is there, and this side we give 1 0. That means the short form of this one is 0.58. Next, question number A, this one B. Question number B. 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So here 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 5 by 1000. So that means all are decimal parts, because why? It is 10th, 100th, 1000. Out of 10 part, 2 part, 100 part, 3 parts, out of 1000 part, 5 part. So all decimal points, decimal. So what to do? No integral part is there. So first we give 1 point, and this 1 2 is in 10th place. So then it is 10th, then it is 100th, it is thousands. So decimal, this short form of this fraction is, or decimal form is 0.235. Next, question number C. 7 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. Same here also, no integral part is there, whole number null there, all decimals or fractional part. So what to do? We give first point, because no integral part is there, and then 7 in it which place? 10th place, 10th. That means after point is come 10th place, point, then 7, then 100th, 0 is in 100th place, then we give 100, and 8 is in 1000th place. So here 8. So answer is, we give 1 0 here, add 1 0 here, that means answer is 0.8708. Next, question number D. 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 4 by 100. So here in this question we get 8. 8 is whole number. 8 is whole number or integral part we can say, but there is this one is no fraction, no decimal fraction. So we write this one, this 8 first. So then 6 by 10th. 10th means it is fractional part also and decimal also. That's why we give their point. And 6 in which place? It is 10th. 6 is 10th place. So after point we 10th place comes, then 4 is in 100th place, 4. So the short form is 8.64. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Compare and fill in with greater than, less than or equal to. Compare and fill in with greater than, less than or equal to. Question number A. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5 box 0.09. So 0.5 and 0.09. So here nothing is there in 10th place, only 100th place is 9, 100th it is 100th place is 9, and here 10th place is 5. So here we can write, if we write fraction, then we write it is or we can do it is what, one thing we can do, we make it like decimal. Make it like decimal, then we understand 0.5 and 0.09. Here we get, if we make it like decimal, then here after point 2 digit, here after point only 1 digit. So we know if when both decimal fractions, if after point same digits are there, if after point same digits are there, then we can say it is like fraction. Here is only 2, then these fractions are, if we make it like decimal, then we have give 1 0 there, then we get there also 20 50, there also 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. That means these two fractions are now like fraction. Now what to do, we compare. Here 50 after point 50, and here after point only 9. That means after point 50 is big, so this one is greater. 0.5 is greater than 0.09. Next, question number B. 1 box 0.999. 0.999. So there only one, but it is whole number, integral part, only fractional parts or decimal parts not there. This one is 0.999. That means it is this side only decimal part is there, integral part not there. So it is whole apple, full apple is there, and it is a portion of apple. That means a bit less than one apple up to this much. So which one is bigger? So definitely one is bigger than 9.999. So we write what, one is greater than 0.999. Next, question number C 0.04 box point 0.004 and 0.004. So here also we make it like decimal, like decimal. So if we make it like decimal, then we get 0. There are only 2 digits, there are 3 digits after point. So after point we make both side 3 digit, 0.4, 1 digit we 10 we add, then there also we get 3 digit, and there also 0.004. So see here after point 40 is there, and here after point 4 is there. Only 4 is there. Here 40 we get, and here we get 4. So 40 is definitely bigger than this 4. So we give there also greater than. So 0.04 is greater than 0.004. Next, question number D. 0.6 and 0.60. So same, first we make like decimal, then we get 0.6, there also 2 digits, and 0.60. So 6060 we get, if we make it like decimal, then there also after point we get 60 after making like decimals. That means both fractions are same. Both decimals fractions are same. Next, question number E. Question number 9. E. 0.47 box dash 0.39. So here easily we can understand, because here 40 after point 47 is there, and here after point 39 is there. So here 49 is 0.47. So 47 is greater than 0.39. F. Question number F. 5.32 box or then 5.41. 5.41. Here point is there. So here 5, this one is integral part, 5 here integral part, both parts are same. Now we compare decimal part, there is 32 and there is 41. So 41 is big. So this 5.32 is less than 5.41. Next, question number G. 0.77 box 0.770. So here after point 2 digit only 77, 0.77, and here 0.770. So we make it, if we make like decimal, then we get, we there we add with 0, then it is 0.770, and this side also 0.770. So both decimals are like decimals. Both decimals are, both numbers are same, because if we make it like decimal, then it here also 7.770, 0.770. So here we give equal to. Next question number 8. 0.83 box 0.803. Here if you make it like decimal, then we get 0.830, because they are this side after point 3 digit 8033 digits are there, and if we this side 2 digit, so if we make like decimal, then the both side we make 3 digit, so 0.83. so here is 800 after point 803, and here is 830, so 830 is big, so we give greater than 0.830 is greater than 0.803. Next question number I. 0.54 box 5.4. 0.54 5.4. so here 0.54 and here 5.54, here only fractional part, and this side 5 is whole part, that means integral part and fractional part both there, only fractional part is there. So this side integral part is there, this side is big whole number is there, so this side is big, we give less than, so 0.54 is less than 5.4. So my dear student, today up to this, if you have any doubt, you can call me at night. Thank you.